Welcome, Sam.
Thank you, Pierre.
So tell us, software version 2104 is an important milestone for the Centreon platform. Why?
Well, simply put, for the very first time, our machine learning and AI abilities within the product are made available to the public at large.
Okay, but to tell the truth, in the past, we've already announced anomaly detection, artificial intelligence. So what is really new this time?
Yes, actually, a year ago, you and I were announcing the beginning of the work of Centreon on this field. And what happened in the year, we worked with our users that we thank a lot for their contribution, and we were able to create and train the models for the AI and also integrate them successfully within the product. So what happens now is the fruit of that collaboration is given to everyone, all the users of Centreon.
All right. So how does it work? I'm a Centreon user. I'm already monitoring my infrastructure from cloud to edge. What's the difference now?
Well, the difference for you is basically twofold. The first thing is you can do things you could not do before. For instance, now you can have different expectations based on different aspects of the day, for instance. It's absolutely normal to expect a lower threshold in nighttime, for instance, versus a higher threshold for any metric in the daytime. The second advantage is automation. Now you are able to let the model help you determine the right threshold based on past behavior instead of having to do it yourself.
All right. So why do we need artificial intelligence? Why machine learning?
Well, the whole thing relies on reproducing what happens in your mind as an expert within the product. And this is where advanced tools like AI come into play.
All right. Now, we know for a fact that these technologies, artificial intelligence, require a lot of computing resources, power. Here, Centreon is bringing an innovative architecture. It's called Cloud Augmented. Can you explain us?
Yes, Cloud Augmented is our way of bringing the power and all the advantages of the cloud to on-premise software. So for you, as a user of Centreon, you are able to completely forego of all the necessities of running an AI model and just enjoy the fruit and the value of it.
Now, adding extra cloud computing resources means extra costs. So can you tell us how much will it cost for our user to access anomaly detection?
Well, for the user, the good news is none. Centreon is keeping improving our software, and so we make it available for you as long as you acquire the new 21.4 version.
To tell the truth, this is only for the business edition subscriber.
Yes.
All right. Let me go back maybe to my first question and to conclude. We are saying that this is a major milestone. So does it mean that there are more milestones to come?
Absolutely. Anomaly detection is but the first one. There are many others in the same vein that are coming up. I can cite, for instance, capacity planning or cluster anomaly and many others that are already in the workshop.
Awesome. Thank you, Sam.
Thank you.